Yeah, hi guys, this is Mike from Advanced Group. Just thought I'd give you a quick tip on how to get your quantity discounts on our website. This is going to be a very straightforward video, very short. There's only two things I really wanted to mention here. The first one is how to view the quantity discounts. So if you click on this button here, which is on every product page on our website, you'll see there's a pop-up table which comes up, which shows you the different price levels for the products when you're buying more than 5. So it goes 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, 25%. And this is on every product page on our website. The second thing that I wanted to mention as well is just to make sure that you are logged in. If you have trade pricing already set up, there's on the left hand side you've got the categories, and at the bottom of the categories is this button here which says account. When you click on this, if you've pre-registered and if you've already got your discount set up, then you can put in your email address and password. That will log you in, and then you'll be able to see your prices versus the standard price. And then once you click on here, these prices will then compound on top of your already discounted price. So that was all I wanted to say today, and happy shopping. Also, side note, just one more thing that I didn't mention in the just earlier, was that you can also get automatic shipping prices. You'll just need to add the products to your shopping cart, and then when you're in the shopping cart, and all you need to do is you would navigate to where you fill in the form to put in your details. Once you select your state and whether you're a residential or business, I'll just try and see if I can just also put in something else. Okay, so there's actually 3 mandatory fields to see how much the shipping is: the state, the postcode, residential or business. Then it's going to pop up this availability to calculate how much is the shipping, and then you'll be able to see that there. Depending what's in your shopping cart, that's going to change. So you'll see something like relevant to your state, whether it's rural or metro. In some states you'll have remote as well. So you just choose the appropriate one, whether you're in the city, for example, Hobart or Launceston, or whether you're in on a farm or something. It's going to obviously be a different price. So that's it. We'll end the video there. Thanks.